All right, guys. So I guess this is one of the videos that most everyone that joined Freebyz platform to make money have been expecting. So I'm gonna go straight to the point and also walk you through the whole process about the Freebyz Payment Proof and how we actually go about it on this channel, which is Two Guys Finance, and we have written different kind of blog posts about freebies and also many videos around freebies, how you can actually make money on this platform. So we're going to walk you through the inside and the payment proof screenshot and which platform actually send out the payment and when exactly and how long does the payment actually take before we receive it. So and if you are new to freebies platform, this is a platform that where we can actually work online and earn daily in dollars and naira as well. Even though if you are at home, you can also work on this platform and make money for yourself. So this platform is where you can actually complete some micro tasks and also you are going to be able to make money on the platform. And there are different other ways which of course you can also use to make money on this platform by referring people to join freebies platform and also make money. We have make different kind of videos like I said earlier on where you can understand much about freebies platform and how you can use it to make money from the comfort of your home. So I'm going to walk you through the inside of the platform so you see the features, and also I'm going to show you the payment proof, which of course you can also look into it and see the date that the payment was initiated, and also I'm gonna show you the email they sent to us on this channel on the payment withdrawal option before we actually get the payment through our bank. So this is going to be the inside of freebies platform. So this is our dashboard actually, and you can see Two Guys Finance. You can see Two Guys here. So this is the home page of the website, and basically we have referred 52 people to join freebies platform both through our YouTube channel and also our website blog. So and if you scroll down, you'll see how you can make money from this platform. So you can earn extra bonus in addition to your referral bonus. You can earn extra 500 naira if you refer 10 people users this month. So you make 500 naira per users, and you can also earn extra of 1,500 if you refer 20 people, and so on and so forth like that. And if you also scroll down, once you sign up on freebies platform, you will be able to complete some tasks, which of course it's available for normal users. And if you upgrade your account, because we have actually upgraded our own accounts here on this website, and we have access to more projects that or more tasks actually that we can actually complete and also make more money on this platform. But then if you have a free account on this platform, so you are limited to some kind of jobs which you might be able to apply for. So it's best you upgrade your account so that you'll be able to make money on this website. So you can use our link in the description of this video below to upgrade or to sign up on this platform and also upgrade your account. And if you have already signed up on this website, you can also make sure you upgrade your account so you'll be able to see more offers that will make you money as fast as possible, because there are a lot of projects on this website which of course you can just sign up and then start completing those tasks and you'll be able to make money on this website. So without wasting much of your time, so let me walk you through the wallet, and then I'll also walk you through other payment screenshot as well. So this is the wallet, and then this is fund wallet. So if you want to fund your wallet, probably you want to hire people on freebies platform, so you have to fund your wallet. And this is the withdrawal option if you just want to withdraw, and this is the withdrawal request if you have request for a withdrawal before, so you're going to see it here. So you can see this is the payments withdrawal request, and you can see the date, which is on the 18th of August this month, and 2023. So you can see how much they sent, which is 1,387, and the status is paid, and when the payment was paid, this is the time. So the said the payment used to come through. You can withdraw on every Friday, like they said. But then we actually initiate a withdrawal on Thursday this week. So and the payment actually come through that same day. So it doesn't take time. I'm not sure if it's go into another day, so we are able to receive the payment that same day. I think maybe within 1 to 2 hours there about. I just received the notification, and then boom, I see the alerts in my bank account. So let me show you the email withdrawal as well, so you can see them. I will show you the screenshot of the payment through the bank. So you can see, I to guys finance, your withdrawal request has been granted and your account credited successfully. Thank you for choosing freebyz.com. Click the button below to access more jobs. So you can see this is actually amazing. And here is the payment screenshot from the bank. And here is it from my WhatsApp. So you can see this is the payment screenshot on Thursday. 1,387 from Paystack, Freebyz platform withdrawal done. So I had to blow the balance here. So this is the thing. So it's really legit for real, and it's amazing if I had to say that, because what we did is just to, after I found out this platform, I just have to make sure I make videos that I think will help people who are looking out to make money online. So I feel like this video would definitely help a lot of people out there who are looking for a micro tax. Actually, it's not a get rich quick platform for real. So but then you can see we only complete one jobs. Most of this money that we made up from our referral, people that will refer to this platform. And if hopefully, if everyone, imagine if all these people that will refer to this platform actually update their accounts, and how much we'll be able to make from that. And this is not about you just referring people, it's about you also completing tasks and also be able to make money on this platform. So you can do either of the two: perform tasks, complete tasks, and also refer people. That's just like two ways for you to make money on this platform. So either of the way, it's best known to you on what exactly you actually want to do. And I think they also have a method on this particular one. You can see, if you refer 10 people, so you are going to be a platinum member, and if you refer 20 people, you are going to be a silver member. If you have not joined this platform, we urge you to subscribe and upgrade your account through our referral link, because you want to be a silver member on this platform. And we also want to serve you more videos that on how you can actually make money on Freebyz platform and also on other platforms as well. So for you to upgrade your account, it costs only 500 naira to upgrade your account. I guess 500 or 1,000 naira. I guess it's 1,000 thereabouts. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's 1,000 at upgrade your accounts. Let me check. I have forgotten. Let me check. Um, Upgrade. I guess we have actually made a video around it before on this channel. You can say how to upgrade your account on Freebyz platform. Yes, it's either 500 naira or 1,000 naira thereabouts. So with this money, you can actually make your money back within the short period of time if you are serious about it, because everything is about consistent. There is no way, there is no even free ways out there to make money that you will not even sacrifice some things, either sacrificing your time or your money. So either of the way, we hope this video actually met up to your demand, and of course you also take some steps in order to make money on this platform and other website, which of course we also want to share with you in this channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.